Hey, hi friends, Sam here. So in this video, I'm taking one question that I'm already trained in my product, that may be MuleSoft, Salesforce, TIBCO, or whatever the product, But what is happening is that whenever I join the project, I cannot perform on the project. Okay, so my manager is telling me some assignment, my tech lead is telling me some assignment, some work, but that work I'm not able to do. That happens, my dear friends. Okay, so maybe whatever you practice in the training, that is general case studies, general examples and all that, but whenever you really worked on the project real time, so there it may be more difficult to really achieve. So in this case, what you can do, I'm suggesting the buddy support. So buddy support is what? I will give you the developer, that developer will buddy with you, and whatever is your work is there, that buddy will do that work along with you. Okay, so this buddy, again, this is not the permanent solution, this is like for maybe 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, whatever time period you are comfortable, you carry this buddy with you, and you only pay as per the slots utilized of this buddy. It's not like that you have to give the salary or something. No, whatever slots you utilize, only pay that much to this buddy. So if this buddy is helping you to save your job, okay, so it is always cheaper for you to pay to this buddy, so go for the buddy support. Doesn't matter you are in which scale. You may be MuleSoft developer, you may be Salesforce developer, TIBCO developer, or any other technology or product, and you are facing this issue. You are trained but not able to perform on the project. So what buddy will do with you? Whenever buddy will give you the solution, he will also explain, or she will also explain to you that how that solution is built. So you will automatically get ready for the future work. And one point of time, you can just stop this buddy support and you will be independent. But till that time, go for this buddy support. In case if you need buddy support for your current project, I am giving my team's WhatsApp number over here. Go ahead and ping them. Okay, and they will ask you some question, and then you will get the buddy support, and do not risk your job. If you cannot perform on the project, do not risk your job. Go for buddy support. Okay, so I hope this video is useful for you, and get in touch with my team in case if you want to go for buddy support. Okay, thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.